Hey y'all. Okay, so today we're going to be creating a DIY exposed brick wallpaper, backdrop, wallpaper, using the roommates. It's their peel and stick decor. I hope you can see that. Should I beauty guru it? Can you guys see? I seen another video and the girl got hers from Home Depot. Mine came from Walmart. Yeah, I got this at Walmart for about $30. It was like $29.99, $29.95, $30. I'll leave the link to it down below. I'm pretty sure you could get this Walmart, Home Depot, probably Lowe's, and Amazon. I will leave all those links down below. So yeah, so let's get into it. So I will be showing you how I'm turning this bland wall into hopefully a beautiful exposed brick. So what are you going to need to get started? According to them, you're going to need tape measure, a level, straight edge, razor knife, and a plastic smoother. So let's get started. So first things first, we're going to measure my wall so I can see how much of her do I need to cut. Let's get started. Okay, so we have one panel done. Now I need to do about 30 more.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
is what it looks like up close. Holy crap, it actually looks like a brick wall, like a real brick wall. Like I live in a real exposed brick wall place. Wow. Okay. Okay, so altogether, it took me about 3 packs of these. It's probably going to be a weird jump from like me doing it into like me right here. Sorry about that. Like 3 hours just passed in between. But altogether, it's going to take about 3 packs for my wall to finish. My wall's not finished because I'm going to finish this next week. Because you should not be like me and measure your wall before you go and get these, so you know how many rolls to get in one trip versus to 10. I love it. It looks really good. It looks really nice. This is going to probably be the majority of my backdrops in all of my videos. So as like my videos progress, you're going to see more and more things added to this wall. So I'm excited for that. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you. like, and subscribe. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I said some things I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No.
Look at that. My God. Jesus Christ.